Some weird looking birds never seen before.
Me neither. I lived on the river for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got that red in the head.
Mm-hmm. It's almost like a giant woodpecker with those bills.
Yeah, that's real.
Oh, there he goes.
Real marshy.
Oh yeah, it's terrible. Don't want to get hung up in that.
Yeah, get the wings. You could. Did you get it?
I'm running video.
Oh, good.
I got the other one when it flew.
Yeah, there's some other birds like sandpipers walking around on the mud.
Yeah, it's like they got their own little sanctuary. Yeah, is that what those are?
I don't know.
I think you're right. Like, you mean like a killdeer, sandpiper, whatever you call them? Yeah, those things are noisy. We have those at work all the time. They do the limp wing thing to look like they're to scare it, to get you away from their eggs. Yeah, those are some babies. There, one here in the front is an adult, but see some tiny babies back there. Oh, they're moving again. All right, I think we successfully annoyed them.
Yeah, well, that's okay.